Welcome to our channel Quick Learning. So now we are going to discuss the difference between customer and consumer. So to explain the difference, here is an example. You can see there are two people in a picture, a mother and her baby. So for example, you are a marketing manager in a company, and that company makes products for small kids and babies like diapers, clothes, wipes, etc. So according to you, who is the customer and who is the consumer in this picture? So to understand the previous example, these are the basic differences between a customer and consumer. First of all, the definition. You have to understand what is customer. So basically, customer is the one who is purchasing the goods, like who pays money to receive something, to receive your product. But a consumer is the one who is the end user of any goods and services. He may be purchasing the product or maybe not, but at least he consumes the product. So the person who pays is customer and who consumes is consumer. Then ability to sell, resell. So basically a customer can purchase the goods and is able to resell, but consumer cannot able to resell your product because he consumes. So obviously he consumes, so he can't able to sell the product. Then need for purpose. So a customer need to purchase a product or your service in order to use it. But for a consumer, purchasing a product or service is not essential. These are the things that I explained in the definition. For customer, he has to purchase a product, but he can use or not use. It depends. And in consumer, he has to consume, or he can purchase or not purchase. Then motive of buying. So customer, so the motive of buying is either for resale or for consumption, but for consumer the motive of buying is only for consumption. Then payment necessary. Yes, for customer must be paid by customer payment, but for consumer may or may not be paid by consumer. Then target group. In customer that can be individual or company, but in consumer individual, family or group. अब इसको अगर हम पिछले एग्जाम्पल से रिलेट करें तो कस्टमर इज़ द मदर एंड कंज्यूमर इज़ अ बेबी. वाई? बिकॉज मदर इज़ द वन हु पेज टू बाय अ प्रोडक्ट. सो अगर हम इससे हम देखें कि मदर ने पे किया है नंबर 1, तो वो हो गई कस्टमर. देन जो मदर है वो उसको कंज्यूम कर भी सकती है और नहीं भी कर सकती. ये ऑप्शन किस में था? कस्टमर में. तो ऑब्वियसली बेबी हैज़ टू कंज्यूम. बेबी ने ना पे किया है और उसने कंज्यूम भी करना है, तो वो कंज्यूमर है. एंड पेमेंट नेसेसरी, मदर ने पे किया है. जैसे कस्टमर के लिए नेसेसरी है, मदर ने पे किया, तो ऑब्वियसली मदर इज द कस्टमर एंड बेबी इज द कंज्यूमर. देन अ लिटिल बिट एग्जांपल्स टू एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस. लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट सीरियल. सो पेरेंट इज द कस्टमर and family or kid is the consumer, because parent has to buy the cereal, he has to pay the money. They can consume or not consume, it depends, but they has to buy. But family or kid, they has to consume. Then funeral plan, obviously the person near death, they arrange the things, they pay money, so they are the customer. And consumer, obviously who consumes, and who consumes, the person who died, person of a family who died. Okay, then engagement ring. So obviously customer is the dude and the consumer is the girl. Like जो उसको खरीद रहा है वो customer है, simple in a simple words, and जो उसे use कर रहा है वो consumer है. Then carpet. तो carpet में home owner जो है वो customer and everyone who comes in the house, it can be guests, family members, anyone जो उसे consume कर रहा है वो consumer है. Then building materials, contractor is the customer and the person who uses the building is consumer. So that's all from our side. Any question you can feel free to write in comment section. Thank you.